Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today in this my video I would like to explain only the present my jobless progress group member PBL non-contest results from my group's presentation. Namely, my member group PBL non-contest is Kara bin Picking Robot. Okay, next slide. I would like to explain about my group project member PBL non-contest. My project manager from the group my PBL non-contest is Mr. Eko Rudiawan Jamzuri. The first name is asked to the Fitria Karina Putri semester 5 is the member group project job desk is design mechanical. The second the name my group project member is to the Azizah Rami. The job desk progress is electrical. Amrina Rosyada semester 5 is the same to Azizah Rami is electrical job desk progress. From my me from to the Mahathir Muhammad Azali semester 5 is the job desk progress is the software development. To the Antonius Heri Nathanael is to the semester 3 is the job desk progress is design mechanical. From the same to Fitria Karna Putri is, and last from the my group project member is to the Wahyu Hidayat Saputra semester 3 is to the job desk progress is mechanical. Okay, the next slide I would like to explain the project timeline. The project my group project timeline my group PBL non-contest is to the first on September and lastly from the October. From the October to December is to the develop project my project group PBL non-contest is to the my group my job desk progress is to the program to me from revising. The first is to the revising the courses simulation program, and the second is the create wiring to be connected to the program courses. 3 is the revision program from the same the courses simulation program, and the last from the program has finished running. The next slide is the program create SCARA soft motion. This is a courses software version 3.5. The program is sequential function chart model type for the 3D SCARA robot that consists of 3 parts, which is as the follows is the first power supply for 3 stepper motors, 3 motor drivers, and 1 Raspberry Pi is to the MC power base and connected to the MC group enable from the power supply for 3 stepper motors, 3 motor driver, and Raspberry Pi. The second is input of X, Y, and Z position coordinate to the second is to the MC coordinate ref in the connected again from the SMC post ref. In here from the MC coordinate ref connected to the SMC position ref is to the input of X, Y, and Z position coordinates. And the last, the SCARA robot kinematics program and kinematic inverse logic is from the MC move direct absolute and connected again into the SCARA SMC Trafo F SCARA 3 robot as the SCARA robot kinematics program and the kinematics inverse logics. And next slide is to the program script program PLC from variable PLC program 3D soft motion SCARA robot. The program is program PLC underscore PRG. The variable is MC underscore power underscore base MC power. MC power Z linear MC power. MC power linear is MC power. Power on is the condition bool. Bool its function is to that result from true or false. MC group enable underscore robot is to the MC group enable. Move robot is the same to the power on is bool. MC move direct absolute underscore robot is the MC move direct absolute. SMC trafo F underscore SCARA 3 underscore robot is to the SMC trafo F SCARA 3. The Z underscore linear underscore input is LReal. Okay, LReal is that means is a double precision real float or floating point variables that is a 64-bit signed value rather than a real is a single the precision real. For next slide, I will explain about the schematic wiring diagram for 3 motor stepper, 2 connected, 3 motor driver, and 1 power supply and the Raspberry Pi. The power supply is to condition value is to the 24 value is to 3 motor driver TB 6600 is to the connected to DIR-min from to ground is to the connected again from the Raspberry Pi GPIO port is to DIR-min and to pull-min from the ground is to the ground is labeling is to the ground from the DIR plus is to the DIR plus is GPIO 20 from the connected again from to Raspberry GPIO port. From pull plus is to the GPIO 16 from to connected again from Raspberry Pi GPIO port. From the second for motor driver is to the same from the scheme from the wiring electrical connected from the DIR-min and pull-min is to the ground same. From the second is to the same DIR-min from pull-min is to the ground. From DIR plus is to the Raspberry GPIO port is to the GPIO 24 from the connected wiring and to the pull plus is to the GPIO 23 is to the Raspberry Pi GPIO port. From axis based rotation motor is to the motor driver first and the second X to motor driver TB 6600 is to the connected the axis arm linear motor stepper. From the last is the motor driver is to the ground the same from the first. Second is to the motor driver is the min from pull-min is the same from the ground to Raspberry GPIO port, and from next DIR plus is to the GPIO 27 is to the connected to Raspberry GPIO port. The last from the pull plus is to the GPIO 17 from the connected to Raspberry GPIO port. Next the motor driver is to the connected again from motor stepper is to the axis arm rotation motor. Okay, next slide. This is the video contents to the success of my job desk progress in simulating the movement of the 3-DOF SCAR robot visualization and successfully running 3 stepper motors connect to the Raspberry Pi GPIO port. Okay, next slide. Running 3 stepper motors is to the simulate from link movement 3-DOF SCAR robot. Okay, is to the normal
dinolkan semua tiga-tiganya.
All normal from the link movement to SCARA robot.
Start lagi.
2-3 stepper
Sesuai dengan input
23 motor.
gerakan SCARA robotnya ya Pak.
Okay, next slide. From the program uploading runtime and script PLC program to Raspberry Pi 4. How to log in and upload the PLC CodeSys software. The program script run to the program on the Raspberry Pi version 4 of the program that I made, which is as the following steps. The first, we must type the username. Yes, we must type the username, login credentials, and the password identity on the Raspberry Pi to microcontroller device. The second, we must click to select the target IP address. Yes, as I came from the select target from to target IP address, and rescan the IP address of the Raspberry Pi device. The third, we must select and click the version of the CodeSys runtime package. As you can see, CodeSys runtime package, and which is version 4.7. Then if it appears, we immediately select to install the successfully upload and run the CodeSys software program that I created. The last at the 4, if it is successful and finish to 4 installation, a sign will appear configure runtime. After that we select the runtime mode as multi-core. Yes, as you can see, runtime version is 4.7. To runtime the mode as multi-core, then we click OK. Okay, next slide. Program setting motor driver TB6600 and Raspberry Pi GPIO on from program software CodeSys. 2 drive 3 NEMA 23 stepper motors connected to 3 TB6600 motor drivers, and Raspberry Pi being controlled in the SCARA trade-off robot visualization simulation program using CodeSys software, which is as the following steps. I can to select the motor type is to the rotary. I click the rotary. To scaling, I click invert direction. After that, I manage to type increment from the simulation to 3 stepper motors from the 200 increment, and I choose from the default from the link to movement stepper motors from 1 1 1 1 1 or motor turns, gear output turns, motor turns, gear output turns, and unit application from I choose from the default. Next, from the axis type and image, I choose from the VNight to simulation movement 3 stepper motors. The software limit is to the positive, is to the I type from the 1000, and dynamic limits velocity micrometer per seconds is to the I choose from the 30, acceleration as 10, deceleration 10, jerk 10, and the velocity range type I click from the quadratic, identification from 0, position like supervision I click the deactivated. Next slide. From target semester, from semester 5 from last is to the my job desk progress to program implement the finished PLC program into the SCARA robot as a hook from the program that have done. Next slide. Next project is my job desk progress is to the develop develop again from the programming the SCARA robot. Okay, so what is my member group project PBL non-contest SCARA bean picking robot? Is the conclusion is SCARA bean picking robot is type of robot arm. In this PBL, my PBL, SCARA team make the SCARA robot with movements pick and place, which is the robot should move the things in current position to current position, and make the PLC stand rack to put in all of the electrical component. Therefore, controlling the movement, SCARA team using stepper NEMA 23 and the PLC to program the movement. This SCARA robot team already done make the PLC stand rack, run 3 stepper motor, and success running the stepper motor to Cortis soft motion program. In the previous month, our team hoped that the SCARA robot will finish from mechanical, electrical, and program. Thank you again for listening and watching my presentation video. If there are any mistakes for my presentation, I apologize profusely. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wanna go fast, nothing matters, then I'll be fine. I keep